Most developers think web development has only two paths, simple HTML or a giant front-end framework staring at you like a second job. But some of the most useful JavaScript libraries are not trying to replace your whole app. They are small tools that solve one annoying problem extremely well. So in this video, we are looking at JavaScript libraries many developers do not talk about enough. But once you use them, you wonder why you suffered for so long. Alpine.js is like adding a brain to your HTML without turning your project into a front-end empire. You write behavior inside your markup with simple directives, drop-downs, tabs, modals, toggles, counters, filters, and small interactive parts become clean and easy. It feels especially powerful for backend developers because you don't need a full single-page application just to open a menu or show a cart preview. Alpine is perfect when your page is mostly server-rendered, but still needs smooth interactivity. It's not trying to be React. PixiJS is like strapping a rocket booster to your browser's canvas without drowning in the steep learning curve of raw WebGL. You build breathtaking, ultra-smooth 2D visuals using a brilliantly intuitive scene graph, meaning complex animations, particle explosions, and interactive games stay blazing fast at a locked 60 frames per second. It's an absolute game changer for creative developers who want to push the absolute limits of web graphics without authoring thousands of lines of low-level shader code. Pixie thrives where your project demands raw performance, hardware acceleration, and pure visual spectacle. AutoAnimate is one of those libraries that feels almost illegal because of how little work it requires. You add it to a parent element, and when items are added, removed, reordered, expanded, or collapsed, the motion just happens. No painful keyframes, no long animation logic. A boring list suddenly feels polished. A filter result feels smoother. A card layout feels more premium. It makes UI changes feel natural, and that tiny difference can make a website feel much more professional. ApexCharts is what you use when data needs to look understandable, instead of looking like a spreadsheet fell down the stairs. Dashboards, sales analytics, admin panels, finance pages, SaaS metrics, inventory stats, and traffic charts all become easier when interactive charts are ready to go. Line charts, bar charts, area charts, pie charts, candlesticks, heat maps, and more can be configured without building every visual from scratch. For a developer, ApexCharts saves time. For a user, it makes numbers easier to trust and understand. That's the real goal of a chart, not decoration, but clarity. HTMX is probably the most dangerous library on this list, because once backend developers understand it, they begin asking the uncomfortable question of whether they ever really needed all that front-end complexity in the first place. HTMX bypasses the bloat by letting HTML make requests, swap content, handle forms, update sections of the page, and build dynamic interfaces while keeping every ounce of core logic on the server. For Django, FastAPI, Laravel, Rails, or any backend-powered app, this approach is beautiful. You click a button, the server returns pure HTML, and HTMX seamlessly places it exactly where it belongs. Driver.js solves a problem many developers ignore until users start getting confused. You may understand your dashboard perfectly because you built it, but a new user opens it and sees buttons, cards, filters, tabs, settings, and mysterious icons everywhere. Driver.js lets you create guided tours, highlights, and step-by-step explanations that point users to the important parts of your interface. It's great for admin dashboards, SaaS tools, vendor panels, analytics pages, and any product with hidden features. A good onboarding tour can make your app feel easier before the user even touches anything. FilePond is for file uploads, which sound simple until you actually build them properly. Drag and drop, previews, image optimization, validation, progress states, error handling, accessibility, multiple files, and smooth user feedback can quickly become a full project on their own. FilePond turns that mess into a clean upload experience. It makes uploading feel modern instead of painful. For profile pictures, product images, documents, galleries, resumes, or admin media uploads, this library can save you from writing the same fragile upload UI again. And that's the point. Not every project needs a giant framework. Sometimes the smartest developer isn't the one who writes the most code, but the one who knows the right small library for the right problem.